Okay, question 7, first part. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, show that A square plus B square divided by B bracket A plus C is equal to B bracket A plus C upon B square plus C square. Okay, so now A, B, C are in continued proportion. So A upon B is equal to B upon C. Let this be equal to K. Okay, so this is going to give me B is equal to CK, A is equal to BK. This is equal to, instead of this B, I can write this CK. And this K is already there. So A is going to become K into K. So this is going to become CK square. A is CK square, B is CK. I'm going to take LHS and I'm going to substitute instead of A and B. I'll put everything over here as substitution. So I'm taking LHS. This is equal to A square plus B square divided by B bracket A plus C. This is equal to, instead of A, I'm going to substitute this as CK square. CK square, and it is A square. So square of this plus, okay, instead of B, I'm going to substitute this as CK, and again square of that is there. Divided by, instead of B again here, this is CK. Bracket A is CK square. Only A is there. Remember here A square is not there. So it will be only CK square. Plus only C is there. This is equal to, okay, this is going to become C square K raised to 4. Plus this is C square K square. Divided by this CK, I will keep it like this only. From this, C is common inside the brackets. The C is common. What is remaining inside is K square plus 1. This is equal to, I'm going to simplify both the numerators as well as the denominators. I can't do any cancellation over here because here plus sign is there. Okay, now see from this part what is common. C square is there at both the places, here as well as here. K raised to 4 and K square. From this K square is common. So what is common from the numerator? C square K square. Inside the bracket, this C square is gone. From K raised to 4, K square is gone. So K square will remain. Plus, both of these terms have been taken common. So plus 1. Divided by, okay, C multiplied by C. This is going to become C square. K is remaining and K square plus 1. Now here these terms are inside the bracket and here multiplication is there. So I can safely cancel that. These terms will get cancelled. C square will get cancelled. What is going to remain here? Okay, here K square and K is there. So one of the K's will get cut. Only what is going to remain is K. I have worked this out for LHS. You will take this down. You will work it out for RHS and you can send it to me.